always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart.
Welcome, everyone. My name is Tyra, and this is Marine's Home Expression. Thank you guys for taking time out of your busy day to spend with us today. I hope you've enjoyed the long intro to the video today. I just wanted you guys to be able to take in the difference that the curtains have made in the space. By taking the curtains up to the ceiling has really made a dramatic difference in the room, and the length of the curtain panels is 96 inches, and it just really gives the room a more luxe, high end feel. And that's the look that I was going for. So I'm very pleased, happy, excited, ecstatic about it. And I'm so glad that I'm able to share it with you all. Even though these curtains are sheer, it really just warms the space up and makes it feel cozy. And that's what I wanted. I really think I made a great selection when it comes to the curtain panels. I love the way the pillows that I just put on the couch are bringing all the colors in the living room, dining room space together, from the dining room to the living room space and to the entryway table. All of the colors are meshing together and complementing each other, and it's not overbearing because I have let just one area be the spotlight, and that's basically the pillows on the couch. And then it makes your eyes bounce to the pictures and to the book that's on the entryway table, that it has that teal color in it, and just the browns and the color of the cream color of the couch, the grays. Everything's just soft and appealing to the eye and flows very well. So I'm heading over to the candle panel on the wall, and I have to take the plastic off because I got so excited about putting the candles up over there. I didn't take off the plastic sleeve, so that had to be done. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I also wanted to take this time to tell you guys that I did add some bonus clips to this video, pictures of the idea that I was talking to you guys about in the hall with the little brown glass vases, about putting some in the office window because I didn't really think that they would fit in the living room and dining room. And I'm so glad I did. And when I tell you guys, when you see that photo, it really makes the space look better in there. The curtains are up in the office, framing the window, and then we have the three little what are you, vases in the window, and I just put a simple eucalyptus flower in there that's on the living room table. Those same flowers in the window. Also, I put some of the eucalyptus and the little brown stringy weed flowers in the black vase on the office shelf. My grandmother's brown jewelry box found its way in there. The old vase that used to be on the entryway table is now in there, coupled with one of the small brown vases, and it just really looks nice and it ties everything in together. I did also put some of those two of those glass jars in my kitchen windows, one on each side. There's no curtains in there, it's just the two flowers, but I didn't include those in the bonus clips because I didn't take a picture of it. Look at that, you guys. Those are the pumpkins that I got from Walmart that I spray painted the chocolate brown to go with the theme, and it just gives it a more everyday feel, but it's still festive, and that's what I love about it. And like I said, not that the bright oranges and things aren't pretty, they are. I still have some of the orange daisy, on the wreath on my front door, and I just decided to leave them on there. I did add some of the brown pumpkins on there as well to make it flow with what you're going to see once you enter the home. And so I also included the picture of the vase that I spray painted and made the video short on. I didn't show me putting it on the table because I just didn't show the smaller tables or the dining room table. I was just putting the vase on there, and then the smaller tables were taking some time for me to come up with a concept that I liked that was going to fit and stay. But you'll finally see the end result in the overall look of the space and the final look. We also have to give a shout out to my husband because he is the one that put up those curtain rods, and it wasn't easy, but he got it done. They're level and flush with the ceiling as much as they could be, and I just love it. And thank you, Donnie, so much for helping to bring my inspiration to vision. Also, That's what I started to say, and then I went on a tangent about that. He also put up the picture light in the office over the family picture. So I took a picture of that so you guys could see it and added that in as a bonus clip. And I just want to say thank you guys so very much for your support on the channel, for being a part of the MHE family, Marines Home Expressions family. And I'm really enjoying creating these videos. I feel like I'm getting better with each video, and I'm going to try to start cranking them out more and more. They won't be on top of each other, but I do want to get to a point where maybe I'm doing one a week more consistently and coming up with concepts and ideas to do that. If you guys have any ideas, please leave them down in the description box and let me know what you think about this new fall chocolate inspired look that I've created in my home. I hope it's inspiring you to get creative in your home and create a beautiful space for you and your family. And I have to mention, here I am with these matches. I really wanted the more aesthetically pleasing ones that really just had a chocolate brown stem, but I didn't want to pay $20 for them. So these got the job done. I got to strike a match. I got to light a candle. It works. So, yeah, I'm just wanting to say how thankful I am for you guys. Any ideas, please leave them in the description box. Let me know your thoughts. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And thanks so much for being a part of the MHE family. Looking forward to spending the holidays with you all, and be blessed. Remember to always create a beautiful life to live well in. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for